National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Neves, or 9 miles northwest of Allentown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Northampton, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Slatington, Bath, Alpha, Walnutport, Ferndale, West Easton, Milford, Chatham, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, Steuben, and Glendon. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 56 and 71. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 52 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton. The following is